Hello out there, Mr. Corcoran, with this week's reading workshop assignment, which is our project this week. Excuse me, is to practice linking articles to the information we research. For example, when you're researching wildfires, what I did was I put a link. I embedded a link to the word here. Excuse me, which is this. When you click on that. And students, make sure you're already in Clever, please, because if you're in Clever, uh, if you've already logged into Clever and then you click on that link, it'll log you in automatically. So that'll log you in to a very slow computer. And here are all the articles I could find in NewsELA with the tag wildfires. So how, um, how, where, southeast would be where. So these articles like this, how do you stop a wildfire? Let's see, Alex is in charge of, here we go. Alex is in charge of wildfires. And he's already listed 5 articles and he's going for more. But hey, Alex, let's stop it at 8. How about that? Okay, between 4 and 8 articles. Now, what he does, so he said here he found wildfires, how they form and why they're so dangerous. And yeah, sure enough, it takes it to this article. And how Alex did it is like this. So first you find an article you want to read. And in fact, when you find an article that's interesting to you, I would read at least the first paragraph. Read the first paragraph and and just double check. So here, a large wildfire burning in Canada. 88,000 people have been evacuated. Okay, that's a big deal. Okay, so Alex might be interested in this article, Fighting Wildfires with Fire in Alberta, Canada. So copy, and then once you get to, oh, he doesn't have this one yet. So once you get to this, do a right click and paste without formatting. This is pasting without Control V also works. Control Shift V, boop, like that. There we go. Fighting wildfires with fire. If I didn't do that, if I just did Control V, it looks like this. That's Control V. No good. This is Control Shift V. Much nicer. Okay. Now I'm going to highlight this because I want this to be a link to that article. So I go to the Fighting Wildfires article, click the share button. At the bottom is copy the link. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to Command K, which is this link, right? Command K is the link, and it puts a little search window, and I'm pasting my NewsELA article, apply, and there you go, highlighted. So this is how you insert a link. Hi. This is how you insert a link into a line of text. It's how I do it for the. It's how I do it for these here, right? It's how I do it for these. This slideshow actually has a. Let me move my photo here. This slideshow has a link attached to it. It's not letting me access it, but it's there. Yep, there it is. So this has a link. This photo has a link. And yeah, now you're going to do this. So hopefully that makes sense to you. As you can see, Alex, number 14 in our class, knows how to do this. So if you have any questions, feel free to ask him or me. Okay, please have that done by Friday. Sooner if you can. Aloha. Au revoir.